Is your Goodman GMVC96 furnace blower not running? This is a common issue with several potential causes. First, check the simplest things. Ensure the furnace is receiving power by verifying the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Next, inspect the wiring for any loose connections, especially at the control board. If power isn't the issue, the problem likely lies within the furnace itself. Common culprits include a faulty capacitor, a failing blower motor, control board issues, or thermostat problems. Begin by visually inspecting the capacitor, typically 5 to 10 Mhz for bulging or leaking. A humming sound without the blower spinning is often a sign of capacitor failure. Use a multimeter to test for 120 volts at the control board, or test the continuity of the thermostat wiring and sensors. Remember safety first. Always disconnect power before attempting any repairs. Once you've identified the cause, you can proceed with the repair. A faulty capacitor can be replaced with an OEM part like Goodman 0131F00015. Blower motors, especially ECM motors, can wear out over time and require replacement. Test the motor's coil resistance before replacing the motor itself. Control board malfunctions may necessitate a firmware update if available via USB or a full board replacement. Thermostat or sensor faults can often be resolved by recalibrating or replacing the thermostat. Important trends in HVAC include smart diagnostics. AI-powered apps can predict failures and reduce downtime. Variable speed blowers are also becoming more common for energy efficiency, aligning with EPA mandates. While DIY fixes are popular, experts recommend professional servicing due to the complexity of the GMVC96's ECM. Always use OEM parts for reliability and safety.